Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we are going to practice what we learned in part 1. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, I recommend you watch it and after, come back to this video lesson. Before we start, we publish new videos almost every day, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to learn about our latest videos. Okay, let's do some practice now. Here we have 6 incomplete sentences. Here we have 6 different verbs. I am going to show you 6 different pictures of different people. I want you to look at the pictures, then choose the verb and use the verb to finish the sentence. Good luck. Now, let's go over the answers. He plays the guitar. They live in a very big apartment. He eats a lot of fruit. He exercises at the gym every day. They go to the movie theater a lot. He sleeps 7 hours a night. Next, I'm going to show you some different words. I want you to use the words to write a sentence. Use the right form of the verb. For example, eat or eats. For example, here we have the words John, never, television, and watch. So we put these together and we get John never watched television. We have to change watch. With one person's name as the subject, we should change watch to watches. So now we have John never watches television. Okay, now let's go over the answers. John never watches television. Children usually like chocolate. Tom always enjoys dinner. I often forget people's names. We usually have lunch at 8:30. Nick always wears nice clothes. Frank always arrives late. Susan always works hard. He never goes to the movie theater. Okay, now let's move on to the homework. For our homework, we are going to practice using always, never, often, usually, sometimes, with the grammar we just learned. I want you to use these words to write sentences about yourself. Make sure to choose one of the previously mentioned words to insert into your sentence. Let's look at an example. Drink tea in the morning. I never drink tea in the morning. Okay guys, that is it for today's lesson. If you want to study a little more, here are some other popular lessons. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot, and don't forget to push the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. I'm Randy League, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.